Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Muskan, and in today's video we are going to cover how to write IGNOU assignments. I have myself completed Masters in Public Administration from IGNOU, so I have an idea of how assignments are written because I also wrote assignments for my course at IGNOU. Firstly, we have to understand that why IGNOU assignments matter, because assignments weightage is 30% in the final result, so that makes assignment very crucial. Next is we need to understand what is an IGNOU assignment. So any student who has taken admission in IGNOU, for most of the courses we have to write an assignment. For each subject we have a different assignment question paper. Anyone who wants to appear in the final exams will have to write their assignments to become eligible for writing their final end term exams. We need to understand the correct way of downloading the assignments. You can yourself download the question paper from the IGNOU official website, and therein you have to take care of the year for which you have to write the assignment. Or that whenever you download any question paper, you cross check the program name, the course code, the subject code, everything. You have to keep certain things in mind while writing your assignment. Your assignment must be handwritten. You can use either A4 size sheet or the ruled sheet. You can use blue pen or black pen, use both. Draw margins on the sides to make your answer sheet look presentable. Try using same paper size throughout, and make sure that your handwriting is neat and at least readable. Some points which you have to keep in mind that you do not end up doing these mistakes. Firstly, try not using red ink or red pen. Avoid using pencil. You should not use gel pen because it spreads in contact of moisture. Do not try using any crumbled sheet or loose sheets, stone sheets, mixed paper sizes. Try not using all of this. You have to write your assignments which is completely handwritten, so typed assignments will not work here at all. What is a front page? So front page is something which you can also download from Google. It has your most important details: your name, your enrollment number, your study center code, your course code, etc. Do not write anything wrong here. Let's come to a very significant part, which is how we have to write the assignment. So make sure that whenever you are writing an assignment, it has 3 different portions, starting with the intro part. Firstly, take the information from where you will be writing the assignment and try understanding all of that, and then try writing it in your own language. Keep it short. We also have some word limit for writing any answer, so try dividing it between your introduction, body and conclusion. How to write the body section? Make sure that it is eye-catchy. You can use some tables, you can use some diagrams. In the body, you have to ensure that you are using proper headings. You are addressing all the parts which are asked in the question. Next part is the conclusion part. Try keeping it short and try writing it in your own words. Mainly the body section is the one which we copy from somewhere else, so try not completely copying it, but try to be a little creative in this area for the body part of any answer. Paste the answer in the ChatGPT and try asking the ChatGPT of how you can present that particular topic or that particular answer in a better way, or make it in a tabular format. So this is one of the tricks which you can use for writing an answer. Never copy paste directly from internet or from any AI tool. Try reading something and then try understanding it, and also looking by yourself that whether that particular thing makes sense to you or not. Write whatever is asked in the answer, not write something which is like completely out of the line. How you can present your answer or basically your assignment in a better way. So first and foremost, make sure that your assignment look neat and it has a format that, for example, if you have a way of writing a question, then you are following that similar format throughout the assignment. For writing, for example, 5 questions you have to write, so you have to follow the same format. And if you have drawn margin on a single page, try following that format for all the pages. So keep a single format for your assignment and make sure that your assignment is neat. It does not have a lot of scrambling, a lot of cuts. It does not have a lot of changing in between. You have to take care of all these things. Also, it has to have a structure and an order. Many times what happens, any student firstly noting down question, then they are writing answer, and for the next question they are just writing the question number and then following the answer. So this is not a correct format. You have to follow the same structure throughout, and it helps making your assignment look better. Final check is that you have to make sure that there is enough space between words, between question and answer and between different questions. Now some tips to score better marks. So read questions carefully, understand them, what they are asking, and only write what is relevant for the question. Next is you have to properly use subheadings, headings, and underline important points, add diagrams, flowcharts, tables wherever possible, and explain simply and naturally. You do not have to write very difficult words. You have to try writing the assignment in your own words, and do not completely rely on copy pasting a particular assignment, because neat assignments and naturally handwritten assignments look different from the ones which are AI generated. Also make sure that you write page number on each page, because it helps in identifying the missing pages if there are any. Never ever miss your deadline, because there is a specific deadline for submitting your assignments. So keep a note of when your deadline is and try writing it beforehand. How you can submit your assignment. So for submitting the assignment, usually there are some guidelines which are given by the regional centers. How you can know for your assignment whether you have to submit it offline, online, via email. So what is the process? So for that you have to go on the regional center wala website, and from there you can download the guidelines for submitting the assignments. Every regional center have the guideline for submitting the assignments, so you can download it directly from there. And for those who do not know what is their regional center, so if they're having their ID card or their admission slip, there would be written the regional center, so you can see it from there. In my case, I was asked to submit the assignments via a Google form. So basically I had to make a PDF and then upload it online. And for many students the case is not the same. They have to visit the study center for submitting their assignment. You have to make sure that you also have a copy of the same assignment. Whenever you are submitting the assignment in offline mode, you are usually given with the receipt. Make sure that you have a proof that you have submitted your assignment. After the evaluation, marks usually come on a portal. You can check the assignment marks by typing it on Google. You'll get to see the website, and from there in you can check your assignment marks. Usually it takes around 2-3 months, and if it is delaying, then you can cross check it with your study center. If a study center is not responding or is not able to help you much, then you can approach the regional center. Now we have come to the end of this video. If you have any doubts, feel free to mention all of that in the comment section of this video. I have made a Telegram group for IGNOU students, specifically for the Masters in Public Administration students. You can join that. If you have any query related to assignments still left, you can always reach out to me. If the video was helpful, please like to this video, and you can also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.